And then when it comes to the taxable account, there are ways to reduce taxes there, such as tax loss harvesting. So let's go over what that is.
Yeah, great strategy. So here's the deal with tax loss harvesting. Now, a lot of times people will want to just sit on their hands and ride out market fluctuation. Well, that's not the best use of your money. When you're creating retirement income, you want to do it tax efficiently, so there are strategies you can use with tax loss harvesting. So let's say you've got a stock that has gone up in value and you're kind of late to the game and you purchase it at a peak. From there, it falls. Well, you can sell from your peak to the trough and put that loss on your tax return, so that when you're creating retirement income and you have to sell something else on down the road at a gain, you can offset that gain with the loss that you've harvested along the way. So you don't want to sit on your portfolio, you want to be very proactive with your portfolio. There's opportunities in bulls and there's opportunities in bears.
Yeah, and of course when it goes down, when you sell, you create that tax loss, and then you want to buy something similar so you receive the recovery. Great strategy, Pete. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me, Al.
Hey, that's great insight, guys. I want to thank Peter Keller for joining us. Wonderful job, Pete. But to help you all out, why don't you go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com and click on that special offer this week. It's our retirement readiness guide. Are you ready for retirement? Are you prepared? Do you have a tax strategy, investment strategy? Do you have your goals lined up? Go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com right now. Click on that special offer.